Next problem, problem number 46. A tetrahedron of side 40 mm resting on one of its sides on HP. This side is parallel to VP, that is the third position, and 40 mm away from it. It is tilted about resting side such that the base containing the edge is inclined at 30 degree to HP. That is nothing but one side is 40 millimeter, right? And third position, what they have mentioned, this edge is parallel, resting edge is parallel to VP and 40 mm away from it. And second position, this base is inclined at an angle of 30 degree. This will explain with the help of sketch. Now one side is 40 millimeter, right? A, B, C, O1 will take and will give their mark. This is called as tetrahedron, where four equal triangular faces are there. This is 1, 2, 3 and bottom is the 1. So that's why it is called as tetrahedron. Four equal triangular faces. When you are viewing from the top side, this is how we will observe the tetrahedron. Now it is resting on one of its edge. This is the edge. Edge should be right side. Now we should take 40 millimeter side. Right, 40 mm side we have to take. Axis line I have extended by keeping at this point, that is nothing but A dash point. This is A dash point. This is B dash into bracket C dash. Keeping at A dash point 40 mm, I will cut this axis line where we will get O dash point, because wherever corner is there, from that point we will get true length. Is it clear? Wherever corner is there, this edge is in the front view is a true length, but B dash to C dash, B dash C dash to O dash is not true length because there is an edge. Please remember, you have to cut always from corner side. This is O1 dash. This is the first position of tetrahedron. This is 40 mm because we have to cut it from A dash to O dash to get axis. Now in second position, B dash, C dash, A dash is inclined at an angle of 30 degree. Now we'll mark here B dash, C dash, and then we'll take 30 degree line from this point. We'll take 30 mm, 30 degree. Degree line I have taken. Now we'll cut it by B dash, C dash to A dash. This distance I have taken from B dash, C dash, keeping at B dash, A dash. We'll cut it by A dash distance. Right. Now we got 2 points. We'll make it dark. And then we'll take B dash, C dash to O dash distance. We'll draw arc, and then we'll take 40 millimeter from A dash. We'll draw arc. Here we'll get O dash point. Now we'll join these 2 points. and also will join B dash. Now another point can take this distance, or can take A dash to O1, this distance. By keeping it A point, will cut it, will get O1 dash distance. Right. This is the second front view. Now we'll draw projectors parallel to this. From A point, then parallel to A, you get O1, here we will get all the points. A dash is there, where we will get A dash point, O1, here we will get O1 point, here B dash, C dash is there, we will get here B point, C point, it's not dash. So this is B point, and then here we will get O point. Now when you are weaving from this side, the point which is away from the other is B. The line joining to B points are dash line. B to C it is joining, we'll make it dash, and then B to A is joining, it is dash, but because of border line we are considering it as continuous. And then B should reach O point and also C, and also C to A. Right, and also O to A. So this is the second top view. Right, second top view. Now we'll take 40 mm distance from this XY line. We'll draw line. We'll draw parallel to XY line, and then this CB is parallel to XY line. First we'll mark C point and we'll cut it by B distance. We got here B point, then we'll join it. This is dash. Resting side is parallel in third position with 40 mm below XY line. Now we got 2 points. You can construct anything by knowing 2 points. Now we'll take this AB distance, or you can take it CB distance. Distance will be same. By keeping at B point, we'll draw arc, and by keeping at C distance also, we'll draw arc. Here we'll get A point. And then A to O distance I will take, See here, A to O distance I am taking, A to O, and then you can take B to O, so we'll get O point here, so this is O point, and then O1 you can cut it by O to O1 distance. Here we will get O1 point. Now draw the projector in the front view. And we will draw horizontal projectors. So we got all the points here. Now on XY line B and C are there. So here you will get C dash, here you will get B dash, and then O dash, and here you will get A dash point and O1 dash point. The point which is away from the observer is, when you are viewing from this side, O point. The line joined to O points are dash. Because of O is at the end, all the lines are continuous, because border lines are continuous. So this is the third front view. So all the points are continuous. Because O is away from the observer, the line joining to O are dash line. The line joining to O are all border lines, and some are visible. Because of that, no line is dashed. Thank you.